Hi, guys. Welcome to AVCLabs channel. Today we will explore how to blur or mosaic objects in video. First, launch AVCLabs Video Blur AI. Click here to preview the original video. Then select Custom Blur. Now the default shape is the rectangle. You can also click here to change the blur shape. After determining the shape, just move and adjust this box until it covers all the objects you want to blur. This time we choose Standard, which is to mosaic the object. Finally, just click a task and select Export. The video will start processing, and you can preview the mosaic effect here. Back to the main interface, this time we try to blur the object. Still the same operation as before, click Export after adding the task. Now you can preview the effect of blurred objects. That's all for today. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe us.